KashZ Presso review demo and $4,997 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Ars from artofmarketingblog.com. This is my KashZ Presso review. I don't know how to say it, if it's KashZ Presso or KashZPresso. What it does is it generates traffic for you on complete autopilot in a very underused way. Okay, so I'm going to show you some stats. Almost no one is using this method, and that's why it's super powerful, and there's an automation module to it that essentially means that our people will be sending traffic to you. So as always, have a huge almost $5,000 bonus to it. I'm going to show you the bonus at the end of this video, so let me share my screen and let's jump into this KashZPresso review. But before I do, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one. Okay, so first of all, even before I'm going to show the sales page, I just wanted to show you some stats. Okay, so KashZPresso uses PDFs. Okay, so you're going to be creating PDFs. You have 20 PDFs included. And what you're going to be doing is sharing them on sites like SlideShare, Scribd, issuu, Calmeo, okay, all of these different PDF sharing websites. Now, as you can see, slideshare.net has 168 million monthly views, Scribd has 101 million, 49 million, 20 million, 12 million, you know, all of these websites. Obviously, you can use these websites to share your PDFs, or you can use anything else. You can use social media, you can do email marketing, whatever you want to do. Okay, now let's jump into the sales page, and then I'm going to explain the concept to you. But essentially, you're giving away these PDFs, these flip books. Obviously, this can be about anything, so no matter the niche, no matter the affiliate product you're promoting, you can use it. And KashZPresso will lock this PDF, and then to unlock it, people have to opt in, so you're getting their email list, and they can also refer their friends. And if they're gonna refer 3, 5, 7 friends, it's totally up to you how you set it up. You're gonna get additional traffic, and they will unlock an additional bonus. Okay, so again, I'm going to show you a demo in a second. Now let's check out the sales page. So as you can see, it says KashZPresso, finally the easiest way to generate viral traffic. Unleash a stampede of free viral traffic and pocket easy commissions over and over again. So let's scroll down. We have some testimonials, we have 3 simple steps, some proof. KashZPresso, again, that's the name of this new software. You're gonna get some bonuses, so you're actually getting 20 high converting done for you PDFs included with it. Okay, so you can use it on your own PDFs, you can use the done for you PDFs, you can edit these, you can do PLR PDFs, you can essentially do whatever you want. So scrolling down here, some more testimonials. Obviously, you can use this traffic for anything. Some more proof. Again, they're listing here you know, everything that you're getting. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. 30 days money back guarantee, so absolutely no risk on your part. And that's released by Mosh Bari. Okay, so guys, that's the sales page. Check it out in your own time once it's live. Now let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so you actually have 2 different things inside the members area. You have all the video training and the done for you PDFs, and you also have the software. Okay, so let me show you the training first. As you can see, we have the welcome video, then we have registration, then we have autoresponder, because all of this is about getting leads and adding them to your autoresponder. And then once these leads will unlock the gift, they can refer more people, which means more emails that will be added on autopilot to your list. Okay, referral viral traffic, does the video explaining it. Money campaigns, so Mosh also shows you how to make money with it, how viral traffic works, and list building. Okay, so guys, super simple product, but it's simple, but it's also super powerful. Okay, so let me show you the inside of the software right now. So as you can see, we have 4 different things right here. We have the dashboard, so we have total flip books, these are your PDFs, total subscribers, and total views. Now when we're gonna go to autoresponder, that's the first thing you have to do. So you're gonna have to hook up your autoresponder to it. So we have MailChimp, GetResponse, SendLane, Aweber, and Sendio. Then we go to flipbooks, and right here you can just click on add flipbook, and you can add any PDF that you want to, again, you can use your own PDFs, you can use PLR PDFs, you can use the ones that are included with KashZPresso. All you have to do right here is just add the PDF and then set up this lead capture form. Now, I'm not going to be doing this right now, but I will have a 3-minute demo that will explain all of it. So essentially, again, you have your PDF. How this works is if someone wants to unlock it, get access to it, they have to enter their email, and they will be presented with an option of referring friends if they want to unlock an additional gift. So this can be 2 friends, 3 friends, 5 friends. You set this up, okay? And this way you're getting the email of the person that got the PDF in the first place, and also they will be referring additional people to you, which means viral traffic on complete autopilot, and you don't have to do any of it. Now, as you can see in the traffic right here, we have the referral dashboard, and we also have settings, so you can set all of this up as you want to. So we have all of these pop-up messages and everything else. Okay, so again, check out my full demo on exactly how to set it up. I'm not going to be doing this right now. It's a 3-minute demo, so it's super easy to go through, and you can start actually seeing results with this in a matter of minutes. Okay, right now let's check out all of the upsells and the actual pricing. Okay, so as you can see, KashZPresso will be $19. Then we have quite a few upsells. Okay, so let me tell them what they are right now, and let me then dive deeper into each one. So we have the unlimited version, $39. Done for you pack, $197. We have 100k cash booster, $197. Done for you traffic, $57. Limitless profits, $67. A reseller's license for $197. Gold Miners Club, $49, and white label license for $799. Now guys, as always, right here on my blog I have a full written review, and this will include this final breakdown. Okay, so with the unlimited version you are removing all limitations on the main software, so you do have some limits. Obviously it still works. You can create these PDFs, and you can generate a list, you can keep on adding people, but this is an unlimited version for people that want to take massive action. Okay, the done for you pack is this is a massive done for you pack with multiple done for you sites, campaigns, funnels, and much more. The 100k cash booster allows you to scale up your earnings to $100,000 per year. Then we have the done for you traffic. This is for people that need more traffic, that want to get more traffic. Limitless profits, that's an additional booster, that's an additional system if you want to make even more money with this system. Reseller's license, pretty straightforward. You get to sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. The Gold Miners Club, which is an additional system, and then white label license allows you to actually launch this product as your own. Okay, so with the reseller's license, you're essentially promoting this as an affiliate and getting 100% commissions, but with the white label license you can actually take this product and launch it as your own under your own vendor account. Okay, so these are all of the OTOs, and right now let me show you all of the bonuses I got in store for you. And before I do, let me just mention that KashZPresso goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on June 17th. So first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses, and these free custom-made bonuses are about different traffic sources. Okay, so definitely super helpful. Next up, I'm going to give you 2 additional pieces of software. Done for you profits and lazy profits. Okay, so that's 2 software that Mosh gave me to give away to you guys, and these are exclusive to my subscribers only. Now I'm also going to give you a massive done for you pack, and these are with my own done for you W's of the day awarded products that you can rebrand. I'm giving you full PLR license to them. Okay, so additional PDFs you can use, and these are actually W's of the day awarded products. Okay, next up we have 49 done for you emails. Okay, so these are 7 separate affiliate marketing promotions and 7 emails in each one. So I normally sell this as an upsell to my own courses. You're getting this for free. Obviously you can use KashZPresso to sell gigs on Fiverr or on other freelancing websites. That's why I'm giving you Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. I'm also going to give you a bunch of additional W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses: 3-step profit machines, quantum profits, piggyback cash system, fusion, newbie traffic formula, and additional plugins and software. So first of all, you're going to get a bundle of 12 best money making plugins, and then affiliate advantage plugin on top of this. Giant plugin biz, sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, true tags, IS, popbox, sales bar, shortcode call to action, responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio, post grid, post widget, courses plugin, client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pinbook, social refer, traffic hover, Facebook traffic engine, and Facebook photo contest. Now guys, that's a total of 50 free bonuses, but on top of all this you're getting my mega bonus. And my mega bonus just recently got bigger because now it is 116 W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, which means that the total value of this package is $4,997, and this is a real world value, so not just some invented number. You would actually have to spend $5,000 if you would like to get all of these separately. Okay, so guys, let me mention again that KashZPresso goes live at 9 AM Eastern on June 17th. Make sure to show up early to snatch it with an early bird discount. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses, almost $5,000 in value. And as always, check out my full written blog right here. This is me and Mosh, by the way, in real life. And right now, let's sum up this KashZPresso review. This is a point-and-click software. You can set this up in minutes. You're gonna get leads, sales, and all the traffic that you need. It's a lazy and easy to use traffic solution. You're gonna be tapping into a not very known niche. Okay, so all of these PDF websites actually get a ton of traffic, but not many marketers are extracting traffic from it. So definitely something that not many people are doing. You're gonna build a responsive list full of targeted leads, and obviously you're getting a money back guarantee. What I don't like about KashZPresso is not really a negative, but you do have to do email marketing. Okay, so you're going to be building a list. Obviously, once you have the list, you're going to have to send emails to them. Okay, so you do need to do it in the right way. So that's a totally different story. But with that being said, you should be doing email marketing because it is an amazing way of making money online. Okay, so guys, that's my KashZPresso review for you guys. And before you go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus. So all you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus purchase history. So click on your icon with your name at the top right corner, go to the purchase history, find KashZPresso right here amongst your products, and just click on it, and below the buttons that says click to access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from art. Okay, so that's how you claim it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It's all done for you automatically. For the last time, 9 AM Eastern on June 17th is when KashZPresso goes live. Make sure to pick it up with my bonuses. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please like this video and please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. This was my KashZPresso review, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.